In this video, we're going to be covering how to write Grammy-worthy song form. So when I say song form, I mean your verses, your choruses, basically how is the song laid out to feel like it's evolving. Those winning songs were Bad Guy, This Is America, That's What I Like, and Hello. Loosely, the way that I categorize songs and parts of songs is by looking at the intro, the verse, pre-chorus, chorus, riff/drop, bridge, and I think using these 6 sections you can pretty much categorize any song. With Hello, we have the familiar intro, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, bridge, chorus. And it's interesting because that is the same exact song form that That's What I Like used. So again, we see kind of a parallel here where this is a very, very common pop form, and that's what they both used here. And then Bad Guy and This Is America actually, in a way, have the same form as well, where you have your intro, verse, chorus, riff, verse, chorus, riff, and you kind of have this outro bridge type of thing in both scenarios. So it's, I would say in both cases you kind of have this 8-bar bridge at the end and then this 8-bar outro. So it's interesting to me that they kind of came in pairs, where the last 2 have kind of followed the same form and the previous 2 before that followed the same form. Now you might be saying, wait a minute, that they seem very different when I listen to This Is America and Bad Guy. And yes, the lengths are different, like the lengths of the different parts, but if you actually listen to it and look through the song form, they really are basically the same song form. The other thing that I thought was interesting is that these last 2 winners have these very disjointed outros that feel like they're very different from the rest of the song. And they definitely tie back to the main theme and they tie back instrumentally. But that is an interesting observation. So consider adding an interesting outro if you're trying to kind of copy that formula. One tool that I have for this section is the tool TuneBat. You can go on tunebat.com and they will give you kind of a bunch of different information about the song, the tempo, the danceability, random stuff like that, so that you can kind of compare songs to each other. Again, I would say if you're having trouble with song form, the easiest thing to do is to just copy the song form from somebody else and just use that exactly, and maybe modify it some. So you could just use this form from one of these 4 songs and run with that. Again, that's not illegal, totally cool.